Alright, and we're back. So now we're looking at Frogger. Trying to figure out what part of it to rip off next. Alright.
Looks like we're losing time. There's a little black bar counting down. So actually, that's just one thing to pay attention to is we're going to have to emulate that.
Which part?
The timer. If you look at the bottom right, you're about to die.
Oh, shit.
Yep. That's your timer.
I didn't realize there was a timer.
I didn't even... Yeah, I didn't notice that at first either. But yeah,
we don't need
black bar.
We don't need to put a timer.
No? No timer?
Whatever.
Alright, so Frogger's pretty simple. So all we really need to worry about is making sure that Frogger has some sort of collision detection. It can be pretty simple.
We can do collision detection, or we can do something like well, we'll probably need collision detection for that too, but just getting to the other side and saying that's a win.
Well, yeah, I mean, I think that should be the first thing we do is, like, kind of put together
a stage?
A stage, and then have him just be able to go from the starting position to the ending position, and have that trigger, like, some kind of, we won the game. If he can get from the bottom to the top.
Yeah.
Whether or not, there's anything in the way, or any other game components, we'll just make sure he can get from the bottom to the top, and then it triggers a win.
Yeah.
So
that's good enough for me.
I mean, that could be the entire episode.
What? Did you see what just happened?
Yeah. Did you just cheat somehow?
I just won.
Yeah, but how?
I don't know.
Like I said, did you...
Is that a glitch?
Dude, I don't know, man.
I just walked into the street and it won. Hold on. I might have hit shift. We're gonna try this again. What the hell?
Did you just restart the game?
What? No? Yeah.
Dude, what the hell?
I hit shift.
What does that do?
Auto win?
I don't know. Try. Well, where's your frog?
There's like a win. No, what?
Does it restart the game?
I don't know, man.
Dude, something weird happens.
Well, we're gonna forget about that feature.
Yeah, we're not.
I'm just pressing shift and.
That.
What the hell? Oh, this is game mode or something?
Maybe.
2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, 6?
Yeah, shift must be like the select button.
Oh, so it does end the game. So, is this like level 6? Let me see.
I don't know.
The game speed?
They don't really move. They don't look like they're moving fast. No.
Whoa. I feel like Frogger moves faster.
I don't know, man. Frogger moves as fast as you press the button.
If I hold it down, it actually goes. Dang it. Oh, God. Just turn it off. Okay.
Turn it off, Frogger?
Yeah.
Alright, man.
I think we know what to do for now.
Okay.
Let's get some kind of bounding box.
Yeah, so...
at the end, and just make a move there.
We gotta kind of think about, what... Alright, so wait. Before we end it, figure out how many hops you can make to get to the end. Let's count the number of hops. That way we know how big to make the
I mean, we can see, like, each thing is a unit, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things of traffic. Plus the extra space.
2, 3, 4,
6.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things there. That's 5 more. That's
we don't
11,
need to count
12.
We don't need to count the spaces
12
in between.
hops.
12 hops?
Yeah.
Alright, so what do you want? Alright, so 12 hops, really?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're right. 12 hops. I will never doubt you again.
At least about hops.
About hops, yes.
Yeah.
The kind you use in beer.
Right, not Frogger.
And barley. Yes. Alright. So, we got our camera. Nope.
You want to write like a win function that resets the game or something?
Yeah.
Maybe that's a good spot.
We should probably then make a new script and call it game script.
Call it game script?
Well, not game script, but just game.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
To control the game?
Game. Yeah, this is a game controller. We're going to also create an empty for that.
Not like a video game controller.
No.
Like a Nintendo controller.
Right, exactly. Not exactly like a Nintendo
something
controller.
that controls what's going on in the game.
Exactly. This is like the Hitler of your game right here. It makes the game do things without asking permission. It's not like, hey, will you move?
9-9.
No, it's like, you will move. Alright. So, that's done. I created an empty and I assigned that to it. So now we're gonna jump in the code.
Fuck.
Jump in the code. Alright.
Fuck.
Alright.
How big is that thing?
Full screen. There we go.
Okay.
Alright. So we'll just create a public.
Win.
So, God. So this will be called... Did you see what it just did?
Yeah. That's Visual Studio for you.
Fucking
You really
Visual
gonna do
Studio.
that
Yeah,
every
man.
time?
I'm very picky. Alright.
man.
So, we have our win function, and that's just going to be called whenever the game is won. And...
What about
We
when the
don't-
game is 2?
Or 3?
Sorry, that was
No.
terrible.
Oh, dude. Alright, so... We're not gonna... You know, right now we're just gonna do like a debug statement.
Sure.
To prove that it's been run. Win.
Perfect. That's proof enough for me.
Alright. So, we win the game, if this is called. Alright, so...
Alright.
Now we need to define our area. So let's do this. In
You're gonna
Unity,
make a
right?
win area?
Well, we need
Objects?
to make a stage area, right?
I
So
mean, the whole thing's kind of a stage, but...
we have we don't really our
we
units.
can just do, like, X and Y checks.
Our default units are like 100 pixels.
Are they right now?
Well, these units are.
Okay.
So
Uh,
if we wanted to define an area, well, we should always just talk about defining the area in units instead of like anything else.
Okay,
The area
fine.
should be units. So it should be 12 units high, and we should probably just make it 12 units wide. Be a fucking square.
Okay.
So...
We can make it widescreen.
We could make it widescreen. So then what do you want to do? 14 units wide?
14 by 10? Is that
I don't even know what the ratio of that is.
by 12? I don't know, man.
Dude, alright.
I'm not worried.
I don't want to do math right now.
Wait, can't you go from one side to the other? So it doesn't really matter how wide you make it.
You can go from one side to the other. I think we should just keep it square, because back then in the day of old, back in the old days, that's when they...
Back when everyone was old,
Yeah, dude, it was fucking
Uh,
square. So let's make it square.
there was no such thing as circles back
12 by 12. Circles? That's true. No fucking circles back then.
then.
Alright. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this, I'm going to create... There. Alright. So now our game screen is a square. So is our camera. And our camera is
Alright, well, I
going...
save the fucking Frogger
Our camera's going to be 6 units.
sprite sheet.
So this way, our camera is actually big enough to cover our whole 12 by 12 unit grid.
The camera is what?
It's 12 by 12 units. So, Frogger, then... Why is Frogger not on this? We didn't save the scene.
No shit.
We did not save the scene. Alright, I'm going to have to create an empty again.
But that's fine. All you gotta do is just put the script on them.
We'll call it... And... and a sprite renderer.
Right.
And we need to pick a default sprite. That should be
Use
it.
the white. Yeah, whatever's white.
Actually, can you
Right.
just make me a sprite that's 100 by 100 pixels? A square, so that we can look like we're actually moving in units.
Okay. I'll just whip that right up for you. Brrr. Ding! Gotcha the sprite.
Good job, man.
Alright,
Or wait, maybe I can just scale it. But if I scale it, no, it won't be right.
you can scale it.
Yeah, I can scale the transform, but I don't want to scale the transform.
Alright, you know what? This has got to be easy, right?
I mean,
Like,
I'm not...
sure Microsoft Paint can do this.
Oh, yeah, dude, for sure. In fact, if you found a picture of a woman's breast online, we could just crop it out into a 100 by 100 pixel square, and then we can have a boob jumping around the screen.
Like
That'll be
boober?
Frogger. Huh?
Boober?
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure that YouTube won't allow us to upload that.
Not a full boob. Like a side boob.
As long as we're not showing the nipple.
Right.
Side boob is exciting. So is under boob.
Oh, man. Great boob opinions.
Yes.
Oh, man, we're already reaching the time for the episode.
Damn, really?
So we got nowhere.
That's okay.
But it's great because we talked a lot about what we're gonna do.
That's true. So in the next episode, we're actually going to do what we said we were going to do.
Cliffhanger.
Yeah.
All right, so next time, peace out.